Now, one of the things that we received today is the insurance registrations, which showed NEO having a total registrations for last week of around 3,300. Now, when it comes to the orders that NEO received last week, well, CAF and China just gave us those figures, and as seen on the screen, last week NEO got 5,000 orders. This once again confirms that even this month, chances are very high that we are going to see NEO delivering over 20,000 deliveries, because as it stands, according to CAF and China, NEO for the month of August, from the 1st to the 11th, they had a total of 8,000 orders. This is something that is pretty exciting. This is a confirmation, or this might be a very strong confirmation going to the end of the month, where we are going to see NEO delivering over 20,000 deliveries even for the month of August. So this is good news. This is something that is pretty exciting. And like I said, kudos to CAF and China who are able to give us these figures. This shows that the demand that we've been seeing on NEO has not been slowing down. Those that thought, or that are saying probably with discounts coming down, NEO's demand will go down, well, that's not the case. NEO is still selling strong. NEO is still getting strong orders, which is something that is pretty exciting. And it is the one that gives me confidence and hope that NEO will sell over 20,000 deliveries. I know the 3,300 insurance registrations maybe were low, but one thing to note is that, ladies and gents, this is a company that order-wise, they are still receiving or getting as many orders, or the kind of orders they were getting in May, June, and July, which is the 5,000 on average per week. And this is good news. You will know that these 5,000 that NEO scooped last week, chances are very high that we are going to only see NEO selling those vehicles next week, or starting to deliver those 5,000 next week, because it takes NEO 14 days after you have placed your order for you to get or receive the car that you have ordered, or for you to receive a delivery of the car that you ordered. So it therefore means the kind of orders that NEO is getting today, they'll only be able to deliver them at the end of the month. That is the last week of August, which therefore again solidifies that NEO, in terms of the deliveries, they are going to sell over 20,000 deliveries for the month of August, which will be the 4th month in a row where we see NEO deliver over 20,000 deliveries. This is good news. This is why I invest into this company. This is why I invest into NEO, because NEO is a company that is growing fundamentally and proving to us that indeed blue sky is coming. So ignore the day-to-day movement and focus on where NEO could be in the future. Yes, NEO is not yet profitable, but 2025 towards the end, I personally believe that NEO will become a profitable company, and therefore those that are investing for the long term, they will definitely be rewarded onto this company. We have been seeing big financial institutions loading the boat onto this company, because they see the potential that lies within the NEO stock. They see what NEO could be in the future, which is why they are loading the boat, increasing their holdings. And those retail investors who are probably doing the same, they will be rewarded like these big financial institutions, because it would make no sense that big financial institutions pile money onto a company that is going to be bankrupt, pile money onto a company that is going nowhere. It means that, or it therefore means that, because they are loading the boat, increasing their holdings, they see the potential that lies within those NEO stocks. So if you are selling your NEO stocks as an investor or a retail investor, well, good luck to you. But obviously these are just my opinions, and obviously I'm not saying don't sell, don't buy. It's up to you what you do with your money. These are just my opinions, but from my observation, or from what we are seeing from the big guns, they are loading the boat, they are loading as much as they can onto this NEO stock, because they see the potential that lies within this company. I know that there are some people, or a lot of investors, including myself, we really don't want to see NEO trading this low. We are just tired of seeing NEO trading below $20 because this is a company that is doing so well in terms of sale on a month to month, and therefore we would want to see, or it will give us joy to see NIO trading at least closer to $10 or at least over $10 per stock, because this is a company that is doing well in terms of sales. So tell me what you think about these orders. I think these are pretty good, solid orders, which might be confirming that once again we are going to see NIO selling over 20,000 deliveries this month. This gives me joy. This gives me excitement. I just feel like I should be loading more onto the NIO stock because blue sky is coming. What we are seeing now, the share price that we are seeing onto NIO, it's an opportunity to scoop more shares. It's an opportunity to increase the holdings, our holdings onto this company, because we know that blue sky is coming. So do your own DD before you buy this stock. This stock can be quite volatile, truth be told. I mean, January of this year, NIO was trading around $10. Now it's at $3.83 as I'm doing this video, and therefore it shows you the volatility that is onto this stock. But you are someone who's not doing some due diligence onto the stock. What you are going to do based on what we are seeing on the share price of NIO, you are going to end up maybe selling your holdings at a loss because of your reaction towards the share price of NIO. But those that knows the fundamentals of NIO, those that know what NIO is doing on a month to month, the kind of sales they're generating on a month to month, it's an opportunity to scoop more shares, to scoop more holdings because of the growth of in the fundamentals of NIO. So do your own DD so that at least you're comfortable into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.